Hello everyone, welcome to Historically Accurate. First, let's look at this picture. Can you guess what it is? Many would think, isn't it just a lump of mud? Well, you're not wrong. However, this mud was excavated from a tomb in China known as the Tomb of the Marquis of Haihun, and it contains decaying bamboo slips. In ancient China, before the invention of paper, bamboo slips or wooden tablets were the primary medium for writing. Ancient Chinese would shape bamboo or wood into long strips and then polish one side to create a smooth writing surface. They would then bake the bamboo slips to dry and prevent insects from eating them. Once prepared, they could write on them with ink. After writing, the bamboo strips were threaded together to form books. Bamboo slips began to be used extensively around the spring and autumn period, 770 BC, and continued until the end of the Eastern Jin dynasty, around 400 AD. So, for approximately a millennium, history was primarily recorded on these bamboo slips. Whenever archaeologists unearth bamboo slips, they are considered invaluable treasures. Every character on these slips might hold the key to unlocking secrets of ancient Chinese civilization. In 1975, over 1,100 bamboo slips from the Qin dynasty were discovered in Yunmeng, Hubei province. In 1996, about 100,000 slips from the eastern Wu during the Three Kingdoms period were found in Changsha, Hunan province. In 2002, 30,000 more from the Qin dynasty were excavated in Liye, Xiangxi. The texts on these slips provide insights into politics, economics, military, law, trade, and postal service of the time, helping us understand how people lived. China has classical books that have been passed down for thousands of years, such as the Analects of Confucius and the Tao Te Ching of Lao Tzu. These classics, representing ancient Chinese philosophical thoughts, have been studied for millennia. Interestingly, new chapters of the Analects and the Tao Te Ching have been discovered in the excavated bamboo slips. These findings allow modern people to further comprehend the full scope of these ancient philosophies, filling in historical gaps. Because of the significance of bamboo slips, Chinese archaeologists spare no effort in preserving them, even if they initially look like lumps of mud. So, how are they restored? First, a strengthening agent is applied to the fragile bamboo slips freshly excavated from the mud. This agent replaces the moisture in the bamboo, enhancing its strength and flexibility. Archaeologists then meticulously clean and peel off the layers, a process that requires patience and can take over a year, as was the case with the slips from the tomb of the Marquis of Haihun. Some slips, due to dehydration, collapse inward, turning into twisted, thin strips. In such cases, they are soaked in a special solution, allowing them to gradually regain their original shape. Afterward, the mud and dirt are cleaned off. Even after cleaning, the text might not be immediately visible since the slips can turn black due to oxidation, making them the same color as the ink. At this point, a special decolorizing material is used, which restores the bamboo's color while preserving the ink. After careful cleaning with this substance, the text on the bamboo slips is revealed. Isn't it fascinating? Technology not only changes our lives, but also reshapes our understanding of history, bringing us closer to the truth. I've always wished for a time machine like Doraemon's to see the ancient or even prehistoric eras. Well, that's it for today's episode. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. If you have suggestions or comments, please leave them below. See you next time!